money market fund in the past means it never will in the future would be very concerning to me, because in fact that's what
Let me just get one last question. Is there any sense of, since you've seen improvements since the 2010 reforms, have you looked at other things in terms of additional liquidity requirements as opposed to some of the reforms you're looking at? Are there other ways to get at this protection without looking at the two options you've looked at so far?
We have. As I said, the President's Working Group published a paper that laid out lots of different options of a liquidity facility, converting these to bank products as special purpose banks. There a two-tiered money market fund structure where you would have tighter restrictions on a stable value fund and less tight on a floating rate fund. There were several other alternatives. We took comment on those. We also held a roundtable on those. I think, and we're open, and I should say this adamantly, we're open to continuing to discuss options. We have had lots of very constructive conversations with industry, but I think we have to get at the structural weakness, and I'm not sure just enhanced liquidity requirements going to 50% weekly liquidity, for example, rather than 30%, would get us there. But again, if we can put a release out, we can have this discussion in far more concrete and specific terms with some economic analysis to accompany it.
Senator Bennett.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, and thank you.